how to create board rules in Trello. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be creating board rules in Trello in the easiest way possible. So to create board rules, you're going to come over to your Trello boards settings, okay? So you can go into your board settings, or you can even go into your account settings, okay? So once you go into your Trello board settings or your account settings over there, you can get the different things that you can use to manage on your account. So let's say in the case I want to, add rules to my board. Rules are basically like automations and things, okay? Because those significantly give you a type of, you could say, upper hand on the board. So you're going to click on automation, come into rules. And once you come into rules, just go ahead and add any type of rule that you want to. So let's say I'm going to click on create automation. I'm going to add a trigger card move to this, created by anyone, add it to, this by me, etc., etc. I'm going to add that, move this to this. Okay, I'm going to do that. And that creates my rule. I'm going to click on save. It's going to save you this, and I'm going to click on create automation. And that is going to basically make the rule for you. So yeah, that's pretty much about it for this video. So thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.